So let's talk about MQTT. MQTT is a protocol for having multiple devices or tools talk to each other. So how we can see that is in the center we have this thing called MQTT, and you can hook up multiple tools such as an Arduino or software such as Figma to that and have them communicate with each other. So if you on the left hand side have our Arduino, and on the right hand side we can have Figma. We can have our Arduino send a message over MQTT to Figma. And that's how we can connect your hardware to software. But you can also do it to different tools. So Figma is one example. You can also send it to your website. Same as on the other side, we can have an Arduino, but maybe you have a smart fridge at home that usually talks MQTT, and we can also listen to that. But for today we will focus on the Arduino to Figma flow. This is all quite hidden, so I made a little visualization on how can we see this. So here is a screen which has a number on it, and we can control that number with the hardware.